Hello viewers and welcome to my cooking channel once again. And today I am sharing Bakrid special puri, that is Khamiri puri, which is also called Bedmi puri in North India. This type of puri is made in most of the Muslim houses during Bakrid. So let's have a quick look on this recipe. Let's take 2 cups of wheat flour and 1 cup of maida. Let's add some salt and around half a spoon of sugar. Let's dissolve 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast in warm milk. Dissolve it well and keep it for some time so that the yeast becomes active for around 10 minutes. Once it dissolves completely, let's add the yeast and milk mixture to the flour now. Let's prepare a smooth dough, kneading it with light hands. Since the milk is little hot, I am mixing it with spoon. Let's add some water and knead it like the normal puri, like soft dough. Now the dough is ready. Let's apply some oil, around 2 teaspoons of oil, and keep the dough for rest. Keep it covered and allow it to rest for around 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, let's check the dough. The quantity of the dough is increased now and the dough has become little fluffy. Let's knead it a little once again and let's make small lemon sized balls out of it in this way. Now let's roll the dough like normal puri. The puri should not be thin, it should be little thicker than the usual puri. You can see that the thickness should be somewhat like this. Now let's fry the puris in hot oil in medium flame. You can see now that the puri is getting fluffy immediately as you put it in the oil. Let's turn it and just remove it when it's done from both sides. Now our yummy Khamiri puri or Bedmi puri is ready to be served. Enjoy this puri with any sabzi or gravy or curry of your choice. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share our videos. See you soon in my next video with one more interesting recipe. Take care and thank you so much for watching.